Okay, g'day guys. So today we are talking about nothing but a fun exercise when it comes to tricep development and movement and so on. It's probably not within your top 10 tricep exercises. However, it is a little bit of fun. You will get a nice decent pump, and if you execute it correctly, it can be a lot of fun. So what we are doing today is the double dumbbell tricep kickback. So how do we do that? Well, we're actually going to have to look like a bit of a buffoon in order to do this, but your triceps will come alive, and it is a bit of fun and is a little different. You're going to need yourself a bench, and we are going to have to stabilize ourselves off that bench. Now there's one of two ways you can do that. One, you can use your forehead on the end here, or two, you can put your chest in. At the moment this is set up for my chest height, so we'll start with the chest option. What we are looking to do is fall into our normal tricep kickback position. So I've taken the triangle stance. For those who watched my last video on the dumbbell tricep kickback, you can put your knee up on a bench. I much prefer just have a nice even triangle stance. So my triangle is my hand and my 2 feet in a triangle position. This keeps my body nice and in line. Obviously my hand will not be in the game because I'll be using dumbbells. So my chest is going to go on here, and that's going to act as point 1, and then my 2 feet are point 2 and 3. So this is the position that I'll be falling in here, okay? And it's very much like I am doing, say, a chest supported T-bar row or dumbbell row or something like that. Just reverse the process. So I'm in this position here, I'm pulling my shoulder blades back and down, and my elbows are going to be tucked in nice and tight to my sides, and this is how I'm going to start. Now from this position here, all I'm going to do is go into my tricep kickback, and then at the top portion I'm going to squeeze hard through these triceps, control the negative, and remember to finish just before my right angle, because from here to here is really not much going on with the triceps, because the way gravity works is I can't believe I'm about to say this, but gravity works in the vertical axis. It doesn't work in the horizontal axis. So if I'm in this position here and I press out and come back down, that's as far as the vertical axis will travel. From here, it's all horizontal, and we know gravity doesn't work in a horizontal plane. So if I'm going to do this, setting up like so, shoulder blades back and down, my elbows nice and tight to my sides and at right angles. From here, I'm coming up, squeezing hard. 1, control, and pump. 2, 3, 4. I want to keep these tight. 5, 6, and that there is how I would go about doing the chest supported option when it comes to the double dumbbell kickback. If you want to do the forehead option, come to about here, same concept, shoulder blades pin back and down. My 3 points are my head, my feet. Keep it tight, remember just past, up, squeeze, and I'm looking like Superman, and it is a bit of a comical laugh for everyone around me. However, when you go and do this exercise, your triceps will come absolutely alive. Team, that there is how you want to go about doing the double dumbbell tricep kickback.